I'm gonna show you real quick how you make this blueberries and cream protein smoothie, because you need to know. It's low sugar, low carb, and high protein. So without further ado, now all I have is cake batter protein shake, but you can definitely use vanilla. That's probably what I would have went for if I had one, but your girl needs to go to the store. I'm going in with a 1/4 cup of frozen blueberries. Yes, I'm back in my spectacles because my eyeballs need to breathe. I'm super bad at taking my contacts out. Yes, I know the horror stories. My eye doctor tries to like tell me, but I have selective hearing, you know? Okay, and a little added benefit, I'm gonna go in with my blueberry greens. And I also have something I like to call lazy-itis. I'm just too lazy to take them out. I know I'm not the only one. Don't try to scare me either. It's not gonna work. 1/2 cup of gas station ice. All right, I'm going in with vanilla skinny syrup. That's gonna serve as the cream. 4 pumps. What the heck? Make it 5, babe. Mixy mix, babes. Make it a party with that Ready Whip, of course. Gorgina. I'm so excited for the taste test. So, shall we? Oh my gosh. Woo! I just can't. So good. You have to make it. Y'all hold your phone. I know, I forgot, but I remembered. I was making my breakfast and lunch. I was like, girl, where's the one for good measure? So 1 for good measure. Always, I got you.